Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 9th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. And my goal in doing these videos is to help you understand technical analysis, see how it can be applied so you can do your own research and make your own decisions. And shout out to my father. Happy birthday, Dad. My dad is turning, I should not mention his age, but happy birthday. So, okay, so Tesla closed up $4.18 at 0.64%, 656.99. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. Okay, so we have a green candle. Who does not like a green candle? We have a longer wick at the bottom here. We have a longer wick at the bottom than at the top. So this means that the stock went down a little bit, but then was pushed back up. So this is an indication that there was some buying pressure during the day. And of course, when you have a green candle, also you have some buying pressure because your close is higher than your open. Hence the green rectangle. So, and what is of note is that we closed above the resistance. So the resistance that we have had, and I'm going to use my little pen. Tell me if you like it. I have one person that is telling me, no, I don't like it. But I'm just going to try to use a thinner stroke, so maybe it's going to help. So here we had, we have big resistance. No, I guess it's not. I guess it's not better. So we have had this resistance for a while. Now this resistance has now turned into a support. So I'm going to put it in green because we closed outside of that resistance. So yesterday I told you, well, okay, the stock seems to be rebounding quite well because when we were on July 7th here, we were, we thought that Tesla would slowly be going down to this support, but then it just went down to the support in one day and went back up to that resistance. But it did not really break it. So today we have a clear break outside of this resistance, now turned support. And I mentioned to you that, well, maybe it would be nice if the stock would break above 657. Did it do it? Well, not quite. 656.95. Cannot make this up. Cannot make this up. The stock is just being just shy of breaking cleanly. So by breaking cleanly the 657 resistance, we have broken cleanly this resistance that we had. So basically we are having a breakout in Tesla. If I look at the stochastic right away, yeah, the stochastic is not super high. You know, it's at 59, so it's not the strongest of breakout. But I guess we are on a Friday and people are afraid of what type of news we are going to hear this weekend. So so they were maybe a little bit cautious, but it's still a breakout. Let's go to the 1 hour chart to see how it goes. So basically 9:30 was this one here. So from an hourly perspective, yesterday we had broken outside of the resistance here, the big diagonal resistance. So today we opened pretty much smack to where we closed yesterday, went down, went up, and then we confirmed that support, resistance becoming support. We confirmed and sat on it very well, and then proceeded to go up. And I did my lines a little bit different from the 1 hour chart. So my resistance on the 1 hour chart, my horizontal resistance is at 654 because I feel it represents a little bit more what is happening on the 1 hour chart. And from the 1 hour chart, we have broken up above 654. So this is giving me a nice and warm fuzzy feeling that it might continue next week. Looking at stochastic, pretty high at 81. MACD crossed over, well, of course, yesterday approximately, yes. And DMI still has some ways to confirm that Tesla has really broken. So if we have Tesla on Monday or Tuesday or sometimes next week inching towards 667, for sure the DMI will switch over, and from our perspective, we are going to be recovering a little bit from what happened this week. Going back to the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. So as we mentioned, stochastic is at 60 with a little bit of a rebound because of what happened today. Still a thumbs up. MACD, please, MACD, no. So MACD crossed over negative because of all of that movement. So I have no choice. I don't want to do it, but I have no choice. We've got to be consistent. So we have our first thumbs down. And if things go like they seem to be going with this rebound and everything, that thumbs down won't last a long time. It will be a very short thumb down. And in terms of the DMI, the DMI is still positive. So the DMI is still considering Tesla to be in a bullish mode. So all in all, yeah, a little bit of a disappointing week for Tesla because we kind of broken under 667, but we bounced so quickly back up above our big resistance here that we cannot complain too much. The stock had gone from 624 to approximately, let me lower myself, 624 to 680 quite fast. Quite fast in basically 2 days. So it's not impossible that a stock has a pullback when it goes up this fast. And also there were not that many news to help it go farther higher. So I think that we cannot complain about what is happening for Tesla this week. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. And if you become a member, I will pay particular attention to your comments. This is Friday. The weekend is coming. We have a Patreon account. We have a Discord server. We have some TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.